जो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। सो बहुत टाइम हो गया था मैंने नायका से कुछ ख़रीदा नहीं था एंड लॉकडाउन में कुछ ज़्यादा ही सेविंग्स हो गई हैं, सो आई थॉट कुछ पैसे उड़ाए जाए। मैं हर महीने नायका से शॉपिंग करती हूँ बट स्टिल इस चैनल पे 4 महीने में एक बार शॉपिंग हॉल आता है एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी अबाउट दैट बिकॉज आई एम रियली lazy these days because I'm working from home and then I have to shoot videos. I'm really in that lazy lethargic mode all the time. बट अगर आपको लगता है कि लॉकडाउन में शॉपिंग नहीं हो सकती है देन आई एम द रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल बिकॉज आई एम समवन अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ चाहिए भी नहीं है आई डोंट रियली नीड अ थिंग बट स्टिल आई बाय इट एंड इफ यू लाइक मी देन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस यू आर अ शॉपaholic. I thought what should I buy from Nykaa when I'm not even going out. Then I thought कि अगर बाहर जाना है तो मास्क लगाया हुआ है तो आंखें तो दिखेंगी, सो एक लाइनर खरीद लेती हूँ अच्छा सा बिकॉज आई हैव रन आउट ऑफ लाइनर्स. अब एक चीज़ तो कार्ट में अच्छी लग नहीं रही थी तो उस एक चीज़ के चक्कर में मैंने 8 चीज़ें और खरीद डाली. आपके सामने नायका शॉपिंग हॉल इन लॉकडाउन. Why lockdown? Because I ordered in the month of April when lockdown was still active in New Delhi. Now that everything is over and e-commerce has resumed, I've started getting my orders delivered. So पहली चीज़ जो मैंने खरीदी है as I said is a liner and I did a lot of research कि बेस्ट लाइनर कौन सा है मार्केट में. आई वॉच लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूब वीडियोज़, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के रिकमेंडेशंस देखे, गूगल, नायका, एवरीथिंग एल्स एंड एक रिजल्ट जो आया मेरे सामने वाज निक्स का लाइनर एंड दिस इज निक्स प्रोफेशनल मेकअप एपिक इंक लाइनर. दिस इज waterproof. Now packaging wise it looks like this. The quantity of this is 1 ml. This is in the shade black. I think this also comes in brown. Now the look of the liner is of a standard eyeliner, like of a marker from outside. It has a really shiny finish to it and the tip looks like this. It's not a felt tip. It's sort of a brush style bristles, like you get वो painting color वाले brushes होते हैं ना, like that. It will be really good to draw strokes. And I really like how pigmented it is and I think it will be really nice to draw a wing liner in just one stroke because it's that pigmented. Now moving on to kajal. I have always used just one kajal in my entire life which is by Maybelline, the Kohl kajal, वो जो yellow packaging का होता है. I don't really use kajal that much unless I have to do a smoky eye look. नहीं तो पूरा टाइम ही वो काजल चलता है. आई थिंक पूरा 1 साल वो मुझे लास्ट करता है and just 1-2 months ago I've run out of that as well, so I thought this time let's try a kajal from a different brand altogether just to check out, just for the sake of the video, just to show if there is any great kajal in the market. So I went on Nykaa and used that sort by button to check what are the customer top rated kajal and new name flashed out and कुछ ज़्यादा ही raved about product है ये, if you haven't guessed already. This is by K Beauty, 24-hour lasting, transfer proof, smudge proof, cold star kajal. One thing I hate about the packaging by K Beauty कि जब आप इसका ऊपर का प्लास्टिक हटाते हो तो इसके ऊपर का ये सारा नाम वगैरह ऑल्सो गेट्स वाइप्ड ऑफ, सो यू विल हैव टू रिमेंबर व्हेन दिस प्रोडक्ट इज गेटिंग एक्सपायर्ड बिकॉज यूज बाय डेट इसी पे लिखी है एंड आफ्टर यू रिमूव दिस टू ओपन दिस इट्स गॉन. इट्स इन दिस ट्विस्ट अप थिंग एंड यू गेट दिस मच ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. लेट मी डू अ क्विक swatch. Very creamy and very smooth to work with. I really like it. On the eye, I'll try it for you once. I've tight lined my entire lower lid with this kajal and it looks really dark, really pigmented and I like this product. Let's see if it smells. Whoa! This is not something that I expected. For $1.99 you get really good quality and it's really good to have this. I think I can easily replace this with my Maybelline Kohl liner and I'm really happy with this. Moving on to the next product. So आजकल घर में मेकअप तो बिल्कुल होता ही नहीं है. If you want to go outside or maybe you just want to get ready to feel good or maybe you want to get ready for a conference call, a video call with your friends or relatives, you need very light makeup sometimes just a tint and lipstick or maybe a lip tint. You can just do a no makeup look and उसके लिए एक tint तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. And मुझे बहुत टाइम से लेना था, and again when I did my research, best tints, one name came up, which is by Face Shop. For skincare, I watch a lot of YouTube videos by Korean girls. So I've seen them using Face Shop lip tints, and those are incredible. And I got to know about this exclusive range, which is Club Ryan, and this tint is the Ryan Player Velvet Lip Tint, and the packaging looks like this. It's really cute packaging, and you see this zip kind of thing going on, like you want to open it like this. And right here is the shade name. This is called Lively Pink. They've got variety of colors there. Now from price point of view, it's little expensive. This is 1220 bucks, but investing in a lip tint is something that goes a long way, because your lip tints, your cheek tints are not something that gets consumed very fast, very easily. You get 5 gram of product for this price, and it's waterproof, it's smudge proof, and it's very easy to use. And if you haven't been convinced yet from this packaging, let me open this for you. Ta-da! This is so cute. I mean, if you're into toys, beers, and cute stuff, I think this is something you're going to get really soon after watching this, because this was one of the factors when I saw this lip tint in a YouTube video. I instantly bought this. I instantly added this in my cart because it's really cute. I mean, even if you put this on your table, it looks really nice. This is a real cutie. It comes with a Doffer applicator, which is really easy and convenient to use. The pigmentation of this feels like a lipstick, but you don't really need this much of product just for tint, and you will be amazed how pigmented and long lasting this is. I just applied a little on my cheek like this and rub this. You just need this much of product on daily basis. I'm really happy with the product. Even if you get a lot on your cheek, you just need to rub it really fast. It gives you a really natural finish over your cheek. It looks very glowy and red, of course. It's really pigmented. Now you realize when I said that a dot of this goes a long way, and it is going to last you forever. Even when you smudge this, it is not going anywhere. Moving on to the next product, मुझे एक lip balm भी लेना था. This time I bought a lip balm by a company called L'Occitane. This is something in high end, and I've lately bought an almond oil by this brand, and I loved it. So I thought, why not to try a few more things. Obviously I can't afford it. I can't afford the entire range in one go, so I'm just kind of buying every month 1 or 2 products from L'Occitane. This is the Cherry Blossom Lip Balm. ये जो भी Lux stores होते हैं ना, like Forest Essentials, Kama Ayurveda, L'Occitane, the two things are really famous and really good in quality by these brands, like a lip balm and body mist, body or face mist, and they never fail you. This is as per my experience. I am saying this. It's not really expensive, because even a lip balm, when you buy it from Innisfree, they cost you about 700-800 bucks. This retails for 750 bucks, and you get 12 ml in it. So I think these kind of lip balms are really good now that we are highly interested in sanitizing and making our products or making things around us hygienic. So I thought, why not bring a balm like this, because you can easily take some of the product on the back of your hand and then apply it with your finger. You're not contaminating the original product inside the bottle. So I think these kind of packaging are really nice and thoughtful from hygiene point of view. Be really conscious about sanitizing the products. You never know, you just spray sanitizer on the outer side. When you bring this product out, consciously you do it with every product, because This is coming in your hand after a contact with so many people, like the logistics, the one who is packaging it. So the next product is again from skincare. As you know, this was the impulsive buy, so I didn't really need this product. But again, if I see something in skincare and I see something that's really talked about and has good reviews, I tend to buy it. The good thing I do is I buy the small sizes, the travel sizes first, because if you're ordering something in skincare and if that doesn't turn out good, it doesn't suit your skin, it will go in waste. ऐसा तो नहीं होता है कि प्रोडक्ट खरीदा है तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा, इसको ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा, इसको यूटिलाइज करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. बिकॉज अगर कोई चीज़ आपके स्किन टाइप को सूट नहीं कर रही है तो यू शुड नॉट अप्लाई इट जस्ट टू make it worse. So the product I was talking about is Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. अब मेरे साथ तो मजाक ही हो गया बिकॉज ये प्रोडक्ट 15 ml का था. आई डिडंट रियली रियलाइज कि 15 ml कितना छोटा होगा. It had 3 sizes in it. One is this size. Can you imagine? This is so tiny. This is of my one finger. And this retails for $900. I know products by Clinique are very expensive. That's why I did not invest on the big size straight away. My sister uses this. Big size is this size, and it costs about $3,000 to $3,500, I guess. And this comes in Clinique ID. So this one is Clinique ID Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. This is specifically for oily skin. And this one is Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. This is supposed to be for very dry to dry combination skin. I wanted to try it because I'm a sucker for good moisturizer. I am very dry skin, sometimes dry to combination. But again, I have not found a good moisturizer for me lately because I have a lot of issues, like it becomes very oily sometimes, or the cream keeps on getting absorbed and I keep on reapplying it after 2 hours to get that hydration. So I suffer from that kind of dry skin. And ये तो जैसे मैंने बोला मजाक ही हो गया है कि 900 में आपको इतनी छोटी क्रीम मिली है. इट फील्स लाइक ये सैम्पल साइज है एंड आई एम रियली नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट इट. इसको लगाने के बाद इफ़ आई गिव यू माई रिव्यू इज़ ओकेश बिकॉज कुछ ड्रामेटिकली डिफरेंट मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है. If you don't need any kind of chemical, any kind of tiny harmful product in your cream, this is the one for you. Such simple ingredients, it doesn't have any chemical, any perfume, any kind of fragrance in it. So when you apply it on your face, you would notice that you have applied nothing because it has zero fragrance in it. So if you are very sensitive skin and you can't afford different kind of ingredients on your face, this is something you can invest in. Again, you can buy this size just to feel how it works for your skin, and then you can go ahead and invest in a bigger size. Again, it's something I would say इससे भी बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट्स हैं मार्केट में. इसका बड़ा साइज लेने का कुछ इतना फ़ायदा है नहीं और मुझे काइंड ऑफ हाइप्ड ही लगा. अगेन, इफ़ यू आर वेरी सेंसिटिव स्किन और हर दूसरी क्रीम से आपको इरिटेशन होती है या वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपकी स्किन बेयर नहीं कर पाती है, then I think this is the one for you. This is not for me, but you can definitely try this size to just find out if this is a cream meant for you or not. Next up is a nail paint, and this nail paint is by Kiko Milano, and this is called Smart Fast Dry Nail Lacquer. The one that I'm wearing right now. The white nail paint is so in trend. I've seen that girls who get extensions done, they get this matte finish white nail paint and it looks really cool, really elegant and nice. So I wanted to get this in my favorite nail paint brand, which is Sally Hansen, and I've got this baby pink color from it, which is complete salon manicure range. I did not get white in this, it was out of stock, so I decided to get from Kiko Milano. 290 bucks, and this one is priced at 575. I want to talk about this. This is the best brand I've found so far in nail paint. I mean, if you try it, you are not going back to LA18, Lakme, Color Bar and things like that. This is the best quality you can get in nail paint. Yeah, the finish that it gives you, you'll feel like it's got a manicure done from a salon. It gives that kind of finish. It feels really luxurious, it feels really high quality, and it doesn't turn your nails yellow. Yes, I've used tons of nail paints. Every time I just remove it, my nails turn yellow. This nail paint has never given me that issue. And with Kiko Milano, I'm yet to try that because this is the first time I just worn it, so I'll let you know if it turns my nails yellow or not. But I'm really happy with this color. You get 290 bucks का white nail paint which gives you such a pretty nail. It's something that you can buy. अब हॉल क्या है, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है कि मैं नायका से हर महीने कुछ ले रही हूँ तो मैं लिपस्टिक ना लूँ. This is not even possible. I'm a sucker for lipsticks, and I buy a lot of different brands and different shades just to, I'm not sure, मुझे collect करने का शौक है लिपस्टिक, but ऐसा भी नहीं है I go full throttle कि मेरे पास 100-200 lipsticks हैं. Not like that. I have a good variety of lipsticks of different colors altogether. कि plum shade होना चाहिए, brown shade होना चाहिए, chocolate shade होना चाहिए, vampy होना चाहिए, nudes होना चाहिए, stuff like that. समर टाइम है, एक प्यारी सी समरी लुक आई वाज थिंकिंग टू डू ऑन माय चैनल, एंड उसके लिए मुझे एक ऑरेंज लिपस्टिक चाहिए थी. I bought this L'Oreal Color Rich Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade 205 Orange Power, and I really loved the packaging. I also got one more shade for my sister, which is in the shade 213. It is Lincoln Rose. ये बाहर से एकदम ऐसे leather finish आती है, and you have this gold ring. When you open this, you get this much of product, and you have L'Oreal engraved within that lipstick, and the formula of this lipstick is amazing. This is so buttery, so creamy, I tell you. Look at that. The swatch is so smooth, so creamy. It's transfer proof. And the second shade I have is Lincoln Rose. मैं इसका प्राइस भूल गई हूँ, so I'll just mention the price here. Mid-range bullet lipsticks which are so creamy to glide on. It doesn't sit in your lines and really pigmented at the same time. That's all for today's video, guys. Stay tuned for my next one. My next one is gonna be a review on Olens color contact lens. Prettiest shade I'll review for you. You don't want to miss that one. And meanwhile, like, share, comment on all of my videos if you may, and consider subscribing. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.